Automotive technology is a great career opportunity for high school students to consider because the industry, the repair industry, has a lot of jobs. Students can definitely get a very good job in this field with a certificate or with an associate's degree. Our associate's degree is also recognized by 2 universities. Now, the students who go on and get a bachelor's degree are not going to be repairing vehicles. They're going to be working for manufacturers or suppliers in other capacities.
Before I actually enrolled at Moraine, I was looking at trade schools and other colleges that offer automotive. A lot of them are really expensive, but I realized that since I'm Moraine, I could learn the same stuff that they offer, but for a way cheaper price. So I thought it was just, a bang for my buck kind of deal.
Some of the unexpected jobs that, our students could attain would be mechanical claims adjuster, somebody that's going to be inspecting to see if the vehicle was maintained properly in order to see if it was covered, if the repair work is going to be covered under the extended warranty. Another one might be a service advisor, somebody that greets you when you bring your car into a service department, somebody that's got to have some selling skills and also know enough about the car to be able to talk at the customer's level and explain to them what needs to be done, why it needs to be done. Sometimes shop managers, and sometimes working for corporations. Either the manufacturers as a service representative or working for a supplier that supplies the manufacturers with components and systems. So those are some of the unexpected jobs that students in this field could attain. All of our instructors are required to be ASE certified in the areas that they teach. Most of the instructors, including myself, are master certified. I myself was a technician before I became an educator. Most of our faculty are that way. They worked on cars before they started teaching, and some of them for many, many years.
They teach you everything. They give you all the concepts, they give you all the book work, and you can ask questions whenever you want. And not only that, but when you learn it in the class, you actually go in the shop and learn it hands-on. So after I graduated and I interned with Nissan, if I worked there for 2 more years, I get reimbursed a lot of my tuition, which is really awesome. So after I graduated Moraine, I definitely want to stay at Nissan and earn that reimbursement and climb the ranks of becoming a master tech, and hopefully maybe one day I'll be able to own my own shop and work on the things I want to work on and make a lot of money.